In this video, we'll demonstrate how to smoothly integrate products from Alibaba into your Shopify store. But before we proceed, if you're eager to learn how to add Alibaba products to your Shopify store, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us tailor content to your needs. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Shopify store. Navigate to the Add Apps button on the left-hand side, then head to the Shopify App Store. Search for the official Alibaba application by typing Alibaba in the search bar. Look for Dropshipping Alibaba Official with the distinctive orange icon, ensuring the developer is Alibaba. Click Add App, then Install to start the setup process. You'll be directed to the Alibaba login page via Shopify. If you don't have an Alibaba account, create one by providing necessary details such as country, email, password, and phone number. After completing these steps, log into Alibaba. Upon login, a prompt regarding dropshipping on Alibaba may appear. Close this prompt and head to the Search Products button on the left sidebar. Here, explore various products available on Alibaba or search for a specific item. Once you've found a product of interest, click Add to Import List to include it in your import list. Modify the product details by clicking the Edit button if necessary. When you're ready to add the product to your Shopify store, select Push to Store. This action seamlessly adds the chosen Alibaba product to your Shopify inventory. Confirm the addition by checking your Shopify store's product section. You'll see the newly added product from Alibaba in your inventory. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tutorials. Your support motivates us to create enriching content. Thank you, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.